How do you know when your prototype is actually ready to move forward? Have you ever felt stuck between one more tweak and the pressure to just ship something? If you rush ahead, you can set yourself up for expensive rework later. But if you keep tweaking without real proof, you're just burning budget. With physical products, the key is knowing the signs, the ones that tell you this prototype is ready for the next phase. Here's the honest truth. Prototype ready doesn't mean perfect. It means you have enough real evidence to justify the next commitment. And that next commitment is usually big. Tooling, suppliers, and production prep. So what counts as real evidence? First, you need proof the design actually works. Not that it looks good in CAD or passes a simulation. I mean physical testing that matches real use. Second, your prototype materials need to behave like your production materials. So what you learn now actually predicts what will happen later. Third, you need a real design for manufacturing review, making sure the geometry, tolerances, and processes line up with how it'll actually be made. Fourth, you want real users, not just your internal team, testing it in real conditions, and confirming the experience is acceptable. Fifth, you need to validate assembly in the real world. Parts should go together smoothly and efficiently, with hands-on actual components. And finally, the unit cost has to make sense for your business. That means real supplier quotes and an honest look at manufacturing, assembly, and yield. When all of those boxes are checked, you're in a good place to take the next step. But if even one of them is missing, it's usually smarter to pause and close the gap. At Rabbit, we've helped a lot of founders make this call with criteria and evidence, not gut feel. We track these readiness signals so you move forward at the right time, not too early, not too late. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't greenlight the next phase without these signs locked in. Moving too soon creates expensive surprises, and iterating forever burns time and cash you don't get back. If you want a clearer way to assess your prototype readiness, check the link below. And if this was helpful, subscribe, like, and ring the bell.